Hi, this is Tehreem and welcome to another video of Unfiltered Tea. If you do not know me, my name is Tehreem and over here we do a lot of makeup and we talk about different things that promote, good mental health and promote self-love and promote confidence in everyone. Alright, so today we will be doing a very soft party makeup look, or you can also do it on Eid, so we will be doing that. We'll start off by contouring our face. I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows, so I will start off by contouring my face. I will be using my contour by Lisa Frank. I really like it, so I will be using this one. And using my contour brush, I contour over here, so it makes my face a little lifted, so I'm going to contour over here. I very lightly contour my face. I do not use very dark colors to contour my face, just a bit darker than my own skin tone to give a very light, natural look. So that's about it. My nose is already very sharp, so I hardly contour it because it is very sharp and very straight already. So I don't usually contour that. I don't contour my forehead or my chin or my jawline, anything like that. We will be dipping into my favorite eye shade palette. I told you in the last video my favorite eye shade palette, that is Makeup Revolution Rose Gold. I will be taking my blending brush and dipping into this pink shade. This is going to be my blending color, so I will be using that on my crease and a bit on the sides. Anyway, for today's topic we will be talking about marriage. And first of all, I would like to tell everyone, I am married. I never married because people around me were getting married or people were forcing me to get married. It was my choice, and everyone should realize getting married or not getting married should be your own personal choice. Do not get married because people around you are getting married, first of all. That is one of the biggest mistakes, because if you're not ready to get married, don't do that. Do not get married because people are forcing you into it. Okay, I do understand that we come from a place where people feel that there is an age to get married and people should get married, when they in their mid-20s, and they should, have a family of their own. But please understand this fact that getting married should be a personal choice. It should not be affected by what people say, what people around you are saying, or what the society says. Even if you are 18 and you're ready to get married, go ahead, get married. But do not get married just because you're getting forced into it, or people are talking that okay, you're of an age, and then you might not get better men out there or something like that, or you're getting older and you might not get better women. So don't do that. Don't do that, because marriage is something that should come from within, and people should understand this, that if you are not ready to get into something, you should not. It is one of the biggest mistakes a person makes, because see, you won't take a decision in your life if you're not ready to take a decision. Then why take such a big decision of your life without rethinking about it, or without taking your time to understand that what you're getting into? Marriage is a very big responsibility. It is something that changes your life for good if you take a decision wisely. So you should just think about it, take your time, and understand when you yourself are ready. Do not go for it just because like we over here say, oh, अच्छा रिश्ता आया है तो लड़की की शादी करा देनी चाहिए, अच्छा रिश्ता आया और लड़के की शादी करा देनी चाहिए. That is something you should never do, because ठीक है, if you're gonna get a good guy or a very good girl in your life. You might get them later on in life as well. If someone is made for you, you will get them eventually. So never think about it this way, that if you won't get married with the first guy that or the first girl that you meet, you might never get a better person in your life or a better opportunity. Understand this, that having a big say in this decision is important. I would urge all the parents out there to understand one thing, that you should never force your son or your daughter into marriage if they're not ready, if they're not mentally prepared. Maybe they have other plans with their life. Maybe they do not want to get married. Maybe they do not want to do it because they're happy the way they are. And what matters is a person's own happiness. So understanding that is very big. I do understand that parents find it as their responsibility to marry off their children, but also understanding that forcing them into a relationship is also wrong. If they're not ready for it, if they're not happy with that decision, please kindly, I really request all of you out there, do not put them into a situation where they don't want to be. Please, I really request you all, because it gets very difficult for them. And then at times when they're not happy, they're in with the relationship, they start losing their mental health, they start losing their physical health in all of that. So ask your children before you get them married off if they want to do this or not, if they are happy with this decision or not. Moving on, I will be using this maroonish pinkish color for the outer corners of my eyes. I will blend it in with the light pink that I've already done. I will be taking my eye defining brush and going in with this very nice shimmery pinkish color with the same palette. I will be taking my blending brush again and just blending the edges a little bit. That's about it. I will be taking my blending brush again and dipping into the same maroon color with a bit of the pink color that I used for blending and doing it under my eyes. I don't usually do liners because I'm not that good with them, because I need to put my glasses on to see what I'm doing. So I will be trying to do my eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner I got from Maybelline. It's a very nice one. It's kind of like this and it's very cute, so that's why I like it. Honestly speaking, I usually buy makeup when I find it cute. So this one I found really cute. My cousin was using it, so I really got interested in how it looked and by the shape of the eyeliner. So I'm going to be using this to do my eyeliner. Let me just quickly do that. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry I had to do that off camera because I really need to look very closely and wear my glasses again and again to do that. So yeah, I'm done with my eyeliner. I will be using my Fenty Beauty mascara. I got this really tiny one from an online page. It's very cute, it's very nice. It was very affordable, but it was really small. So, but it's really nice. So I'll be using that for my eyelashes. I really like this mascara. It gives a lot of volume to your eyelashes, and it looks very pretty. For my blush, I will be using my blush by Sleek, if I can find it. Yeah, I found it. So yeah, I will be using my blush by Sleek. I will be dipping into these two colors. This is a little bit of brownish and this is pink. So I will be mixing both of them. That's about it. So about my topic again, let's talk a little more about it. I do understand that there are times that people start feeling lonely, and when people tell them that they should get married and they should start their own family and have someone in their life, it seems like a good idea. But rethinking your decision over it is very important, because do understand that you are leaving a very big part of your life and entering a very big and a very new chapter in your life. And understanding that this chapter is something that you're going to keep forever, and keeping and that it's something so new, and if you're not ready for something new in your life, don't go for it, because it changes your life completely. At times you come home from work and you don't feel like talking to anyone, but as soon as you enter your room, you see another person sitting in your room already waiting for you, to come back home, to talk to them, to spend time with them. And then there are days that you just don't want to be around people, but then again you already have a person already there in your bedroom. So understanding this is just it is, I know it seems like something that it seems that coming from me, a person who's already married, is saying things like that it is something that you shouldn't do if you haven't thought about it and stuff like that. You might think that maybe I am not saying the right thing or not telling you the right thing, but no, again, understand that being a happy human being is more important than being in a relationship that you do not like, or being in a relationship which makes you happy, or being in a toxic relationship. And getting married is something very big, and being in a toxic marital relationship is something not good for you or your mental health, or even if you have children later on, it's not good for them. So just think about it. And parents should also force this into their children, that you should understand when you want to get married, and understand that if this is something that is going to make you happy, and if this is something that you really want to do, then just then go for it, rather than just getting into it without even giving it a second thought. So yeah, that's about it. Moving on to my lips, I haven't really decided what color I will be doing, what shade I will be applying as yet, but I think I might go in with yeah, no, that's a difficult one. See, don't get into something when you haven't decided about it. And honestly speaking, I did not think it through that what lip color I will be using. So I think let's just yeah, okay, I will be using my Fenty Beauty lipstick. So I got this very nice Fenty Beauty lipstick again from the I got this from Sephora. So I will be using that. It's a very nice pink shade. I will be using my lip brush again to apply this. That's about it. Moving forward to my highlighter, I will be using the same highlighter palette that I used in my first video. It's by Makeup Revolution. So let me just pick up some stuff that's lying on top of it. Okay, so I will be using this highlighter palette. I will be using this pink color again. Everyone knows that I really like it, so I'm going to be using that. I'll use my finger to apply just a bit over here. Just a bit on my nose. And that's about it. Yeah. So for as far as my topic, I know a lot of people, you might not like me talking about this stuff, but it is very important to empower people enough to know what is right for them, and letting them know that their decision matters. And if you have a gut feeling of not doing something, then don't go for it, because your gut can never be wrong. But if you are ready and if you're sure about any decision that you make in your life, no decision is going to be better than that. So yeah, I will be setting my makeup with my Rose Primer Water. It is a Prep Set Refresh, all three of them. So I really like it. Again, I told you in my first video how much I like it, so I'm going to be using that. Ow, I hit myself. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you really like my video. Hope you like the look. And if there is anything you guys want to talk about, do let me know. And do remember, the decisions that you make in your life are going to impact on how your future is going to be. So please make your decisions wisely. Be happy in what you do, and be very sure of when you make a decision, because it is going to be a very long-term decision in your life. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and hope you have a great day. Love you all, and thank you so much.